Good afternoon, welcome to another promotional video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Something a bit special for you here, Jaguar XF, our staple stock. But what a lovely car this is. 2.2 diesel R Sport, Sportbrake automatic. Start stop, 2014, registered in the latter part of 14, after September on a 64 plate. 73,000 miles from new. Has had the cam belt replaced by Jaguar at 58,000 miles. Actually has 8 Jaguar services in total. Comes with 2 keys. Nice couple of optional extras. Has the reverse camera as well as the rear park sensors. As you can see, full black pack. So black flash on the rear tailgate, 20-inch gloss black bolted Calamos Jaguar alloys with Dunlop Sport Max tyres all round, privacy glass, black pack, so black roof rails, black gloss window frames, black wing flashes, another unmarked 20-inch alloy Dunlop Sport Max tyre, front park sensors, headlamp washers, daytime running lights, part suede black interior, electric seats, Meridian Hi-Fi, piano black dash pack, so black on the centre console, dashboard and door cappings, electric seats, part suede with the red stitching because it's an R Sport. R Sport steering wheel with the badge and the stitching, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, electric handbrake. Superb condition. Got a Jaguar fitted boot mat, load covers in there. Paid extra for the space saver spare wheel, which is quite unusual on a 2.2 diesel estate, Sportbrake or estate car. Power tailgate. There's the button to open and close the tailgate. Load cover. Jaguar boot mat been in from new, so the carpet is brand new, literally underneath. Under here, I don't know whether I can do it with one hand, but under here we do have a space saver aluminium spare wheel, nice Bosch battery, jack, wheel brace, everything that you should have with the car. It's just water on the boot mat. Press the button, close the tailgate. What a great looking Sportbrake this is. Remember, 73,000 miles, 8 Jaguar services, and had the cam belt done, which is really rare, by the Jaguar main dealer. 2 keys. So 70,839 miles in total. Really lovely condition. No wear to the driver's seat or any of the seats. To show you the reverse camera. So reverse camera, heated seats, DAB radio, Bluetooth for your phone, satellite navigation. Everything you could really wish for. It's got paddles on the steering wheel for the gearbox as well. Electric seat. Priced at £12,995. I drive that myself. What a beautiful estate car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguar XFs in stock. We've probably got more than one Sportbrake. Or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram. If you do, please follow or like or subscribe This video and all of our car videos, and there's nearly 2,000 of them, end up on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company. Actually, it's 523. It's Barclay Motor Company 5243, our YouTube channel. If you subscribe to that, you'll be the first to see every time we upload fresh stock. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.